Analysis means studying something by breaking it into smaller parts. It helps to see how each part works and how they connect. For example, when reading a story, analysis helps to understand the characters, the plot, and the message. It is like looking closely at a puzzle to see how all the pieces fit together. People use analysis in school, work, and daily life. It helps to make good decisions and solve problems. Scientists use analysis to study data. Teachers use it to understand students' progress. Even when choosing what to eat or buy, people use analysis without knowing it. Let's look at a story example. Imagine reading a short story about a girl who finds a lost dog. To analyze the story, we ask questions like, who are the main characters? What is the problem? What lesson does the story teach? By answering these questions, we understand the story better. Now think about a problem example. Suppose a school has low test scores. To analyze the problem, we look at different parts. Are students studying enough? Are teachers using good methods? Is the environment quiet and safe? By studying each part, we can find the real cause and fix it. Next is a data example. A company wants to know why sales are going down. They collect numbers about products, prices, and customers. Then they analyze the data to find patterns. Maybe one product is not popular or prices are too high. Analysis helps them make smart changes. There are 6 simple steps in analysis. Step 1. Choose what to study. Step 2. Collect information. Step 3. Look for patterns or details. Step 4. Compare and connect ideas. Step 5. Find meaning or reasons. Step 6. Share what is learned. These steps make analysis clear and easy. Analysis has many benefits. It helps people think deeply and clearly. It improves problem-solving skills. It makes learning more interesting. It also helps people make better choices in life and work. When people analyze, they understand more and act wisely. In summary, analysis means looking closely at something to understand it better. It can be used for stories, problems, or data. It follows simple steps and gives useful results. Everyone can learn to analyze with practice. Analysis is a skill that grows with time. The more it is used, the stronger it becomes. It helps in school, jobs, and everyday life. It turns confusion into clarity and questions into answers. Keep learning new words and ideas with Wordscience. Understanding words like analysis helps build strong language and thinking skills. Stay curious, keep exploring, and keep growing with Wordscience.